Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Gemini wallet on your PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Gemini wallet, first open up a web browser. Once you open up your web browser, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.gemini.com and press enter on your keyboard. From the official website of Gemini wallet, which looks like this, go to the upper right and click on the sign in button. Once you reach to the login area, enter your email address in the first text box. Make sure to enter the email address that is associated with your Gemini account. And now, head over to the password box and type in your password correct. You can double check the password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner. If you'd like the system to remember your email address, click on this remember my email address box beneath. But if you're using a public or a shared device, leave it unchecked before logging in. After you are done, click I'm not a robot box. In case you don't remember your password, click reset your password and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password of your choice. Finally, after everything's done, click on the sign in button and follow the on-screen prompts, and that way you should be able to log into your Gemini account from your PC. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.